Is your T-Mobile internet constantly disconnecting? It's likely due to tower handoffs, power issues, or firmware bugs. Tower handoffs occur when your device switches between cell towers, causing drops if the signal is weak or the tower is overloaded. Power management issues, like low battery or aggressive power saving modes, can also throttle your data connection. Firmware bugs in your phone's modem can corrupt handoff algorithms or power protocols. Here's a quick fix. First, toggle airplane mode to refresh your connection. Next, ensure your phone is charged and disable battery optimizations for T-Mobile apps. Finally, check for software updates, as these often contain fixes for modem issues. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for further assistance, as the issue could be on their end. If basic fixes don't work, try these advanced steps. Use T-Mobile's Network Diagnostic Tool app to force a reconnection. Monitor your signal strength using apps like Network Cell Info Lite and avoid areas with poor coverage. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up your data. The future looks promising as T-Mobile is investing in infrastructure upgrades and AI-driven network optimization. They're using machine learning to predict and prevent handoffs during high-traffic events. T-Mobile aims for zero downtime networks by 2027. However, be sure to keep your device updated to avoid power or firmware-related bugs that cause drops.